Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jada and I am a mom with lots of hobbies. In this video, I will be painting this 12-foot sunflower that grew in my garden over the summer. I will be using Winsor Newton Cotton watercolors in the colors burnt sienna, cadmium red hue, lemon yellow hue, and ultramarine and cadmium yellow hue. I mixed up lemon yellow hue and ultramarine for a mid-range green tone for the stem and the leaves, and for the little sunflower right there that's working its way through opening up there. I also have to paint thin as I want to layer the colors, and we have a special guest, my cat Nanette. Next, I'm going in to the petals with a thin layer of lemon yellow and a little bit of cadmium yellow hue for the center of the petals. This is also a real-time painting. I actually really do paint this slow, but when you're painting, you know, when you're in the flow, and now we have moved on to the lower sunflower here. I'm doing the exact same method that I did with the first flower, just being, you know, slow and concise. And don't worry, I do get that petal over there on the right. And now I am going in with a thin layer of burnt sienna and ultramarine for the center of the sunflower. And here I am adding and blooming a shadow tone brown with, I'm really just adding a little bit more blue to make it darker. And I will add a little bit to the center while it's still wet so it can bloom out and spread. can't forget this one over here. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and tell me what your favorite flower is in the comments down below. Now I'm going in with a thin layer of cerulean for the background. I had a ruler and I decided to pencil in just a little small square for the background, and I wanted to add dimension and character because I think covering the whole page with blue would just be too much. So just a little bit. I should also mention that the paintbrush that I'm using is a Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolor brush that I got from Michaels, and it's an angle brush. And I believe it is a 3/4 size. I had asked you guys earlier what your favorite flower is. Mine, surprisingly, isn't a sunflower. I actually prefer lilies. I think they're very beautiful, especially when they bloom, but they're really stinky, so I don't really like to have them in my house, but I can enjoy them when I see them out in nature. I also added just a tiny bit of cadmium red to the orange mixture for the petals, just to give it a little bit of color. And I added a little bit of ultramarine to the green for a little bit of shadow for the sunflower leaves. Now, typically you wouldn't see red like this in sunflower leaves, but I am a painter, not a photographer, so I want to thank y'all so much for watching and spending some time with me. And I hope to see you guys again soon. And you will see the final piece in just a little bit here. But until then, you guys take care, and I'll see you later.